Welcome back, children. We are continuing the chapter crop production. It's exercise already been sent to you early in advance, and again I am revising it. Okay, so that if any student who has doubt about these exercise questions can refer this videos and you can learn it, get the correct answer. Okay. So here in the second module we are discussing the sixth question. MCQ question. Okay. Compost lacks which of the following nutrients? Compost. We know compost is made by decomposition of the plant and animal waste. So the compost does not contain much nutrients. Compost is lacking in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So the answer comes all of this. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium are the three options. All this nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, nitrogen N, phosphorus P, potassium K, NPK is absent in the compost. So we can say all of this nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are absent or lacking in the compost. Now seventh one, which of the following does not add nutrients to the soil? There are four options. The first option, as it is given here, is crop rotation, field fallow, manures. The option A is crop rotation. Then second one is field fallow, and the third one is manure. All this add nutrients to the soil, but the last one, what is that? Ploughing. Ploughing does not add nutrients to the soil, only it loosens the soil. It is loosening and turning the soil. So it does not add. Ploughing does not add any nutrients to the soil. Got it? Clear. Now, eighth question. Which of the following machine can be used to harvest a crop and also beat out the grains from the chaff? Okay. Harvesting. Harvesting means cutting the crops, mature crops. And then in the same machine only, as the crops are harvested, in other part of the machine, what happens, they separate the grains from the chaff. Chaff means the grass, remaining grass, other than this cereal. So, the instrument, a common instrument used to harvest the crop and separate the grains from the chaff is combine machine. The answer is combine. It is a big machine. You might have seen in many channels, TV channels, combine. In foreign countries, European countries, combine is very common. People are very less there. People do not work on the field directly. They use only the machines. So harvesting and separating the grains from the chaff is done by the same machine called combine. You got it? Very clear. Now, very short answer questions we are continuing now. 5 questions we will discuss now. About how many years ago did agriculture begin? 10,000 years ago. Approximately 10,000 years ago, agriculture started. 10,000 years ago. 10,000 years ago. Got it? Second one. Large grasses cultivated for their nutritious seeds is called cereals. Cereal, cereals. Like rice, wheat, then maize, sorghum, then rye, many are there. So these all are called the cereals. So the large grasses cultivated for the nutritious seeds are called cereals. Got it. Now third one. Preparation of the soil involves loosening and turning the soil. Loosening and turning the soil. So what do you mean by preparation of the soil? Preparation of the soil before the seeds are sown or the plants are planted in the soil. The soil is completely muddy. Sometimes may contain a lot of weeds and other unwanted plants. And what we do, we have to prepare the soil. So preparing the soil can be done by loosening the soil with the plough or some machines. Okay, plough are driven, animal driven or man driven, human driven. The ploughs are available in the market. So by using that we can, tractor is very common instrument for loosening the soil. We can loosen the soil, we can plop the soil, we can turning the soil, we can turn the soil. That is what is called preparation of the soil involves loosening and turning of the soil. We got it clear. Now fourth one, agricultural implement that is used to sow seeds, seed drill. Seed drill. So seed drill is an instrument. Seed drill, you have to remember it. Seed drill is an instrument. What is seed drill? Seed drill is an instrument used to sow the seeds. So sowing of the seeds can be done by seed drill. So what is seed drill? Seed drill is an instrument used to sow the seeds. Okay? So seed drill. Now we are going to the next part. That one is fifth one. Allowing field to remain free of crops for one or more season is called field fallow. What is field fallow? Allowing the field remain free of crops, without crops. We will allow the field to remain free of crops. Some unwanted plants will grow. Now what we do, it allows the field to regain nutrients. So what we do after this 1 or more years, then unwanted small grasses will grow in it. Now we will plop the soil along with these grasses. What will happen? All the grasses will be buried in the soil and they decompose to become compost or manure. So they will increase the nutrients, they will regain the nutrients of the soil. That's all from this part. Thank you.